Thanks for tuning in today. I'm Colin Gallagher from Hitachi Vantara. Today, we're celebrating a very special milestone. It's the 20th anniversary of our industry pioneering 100% data availability guarantee. This is a guarantee that we started offering to protect our customers' data and make sure that it was always available when it was running on Hitachi virtual storage system platforms. And I'm proud to announce that over 50,000 customer systems have been protected with this guarantee. That's over 16 exabytes of data. And just for a little context, 16 exabytes of data is over 216 times the data in the entire Library of Congress in the US. And because we're Hitachi Vantara and trust is in our DNA, it's no surprise that 87% of the Fortune 100 financial companies choose to trust us with their most valuable asset, their data. And I'm proud to present a very special award today in recognition of one of those 50,000 customers for their digital transformation and IT excellence built on top of Hitachi Vantara storage solutions. While I'd love to thank all of our customers individually, we can't do that. But I'm very honored to introduce Scott Crowder, VP and CIO of BMC Software. Scott, welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me today.
Scott, can you tell us a little about yourself and what BMC Software does?
Yeah, absolutely. So BMC Software actually is celebrating its 40th anniversary of delivering mainframe as well as distributed software to really the Fortune 500, 84% of the Fortune 500 today. We're very, very happy to be celebrating this. We've been building infrastructure and service management software for many, many years. And really world-class, enterprise-grade software, just like you guys build world-class storage systems. A little bit about me: I've actually been with BMC a little over 9 years now. I run all of the different IT business systems, information security, all of our different private clouds and public cloud assets, as well as all of our customer-facing software as a service business systems as well on our Helix platform.
Awesome. Sounds like we're really well matched. Can you talk a little bit about the challenges you faced in your IT transformation? I'm assuming you've got IT transformation initiatives. We all do. But tell us a little about the journey of them and what challenges you faced and some of the successes.
Absolutely. So when I actually started with the company, I went and looked at some of the data centers. We had about 36 data centers that we had never rationalized through multiple acquisitions over the 30-plus year time period at that time. We really started off by evaluating all of the different software and hardware suppliers that were out there, whether it be compute, network, storage, et cetera, and really zoomed in on a reference stack and took that reference stack and started actually going through these data centers and eliminating them. So we wiped out 32 of the 36 data centers, 60+ thousand square feet of data center space. 1 megawatt of power in general, and really just optimize and I'd say turn the data centers that stuck around into high performance data centers that were very energy efficient and very high availability architecture that we put in place. So that was one of the big challenges that we had from a digital transformation perspective. We also transformed everything about the company. So really making sure that all of the different business systems, we had a SaaS first approach. So now about 85% of our business systems are software as a service, which really helped us out with regards to COVID-19. So on March 12th, got a call and was told that we're basically sending everybody home on the 13th. And, that was something that, we just turned the lights off, basically don't go to work from home, and everybody's remote now. So we're talking about 6,000 employees, another couple thousand contractors, and really it went off without a hitch.
It's really cool that you were able to make that digital pivot quite successfully and quite quickly, overnight, basically. You mentioned earlier your technology partners and providers. Can you talk about how you assess them and what role they play at BMC?
Yes. So we actually have a governance council that we bring together legal, our vendor management office, our security organization, and IT professionals, as well as the business unit that might want said technology. We evaluate everything as far as stability of the company, the security, whatever certifications, whether it be SOC certifications, et cetera, and look at really, what are we buying, whether it's software as a service or whether it's a storage system, and evaluate that company, and I'd say in great scrutiny to make sure that we're doing the right thing for the business. So those are just a few of the things that we do to make sure that we're picking the right supplier or partner. Quite frankly, I mean, there's multiple ways in which I look at that. Some things it's a supplier or a vendor, but many areas or a handful of areas are suppliers are actually our partners, people that we can actually count on, work with directly, provide feedback on products, ensure that the next generation of their product is really meeting our requirements, and that it's bidirectional.
Awesome. And we definitely appreciate that partnership. And speaking of that, we actually went through our records on this 20th anniversary and looked at the over 50,000 systems that we've shipped protected by this guarantee. And we found that BMZ actually bought the 50,000th VSP system under this guarantee. So in honor of that, I know we shipped you a gift. I'm honored to present to you on behalf of all of Hitachi Vantara our Golden Bezel Award. And it's gold because it represents the gold standard, which we together have achieved in maintaining data availability, both yours and all of our customers. And would you mind showing that to our audience and showing it off a little bit?
That's a pretty big surprise that we actually bought the 50,000th VSP. So that is really amazing. And really had no idea of that until you're now telling me now, Colin. So this is really a nice award. We do appreciate it. We appreciate the partnership, and look forward to many, many years working together.
Thanks. And I want to say that's one of a kind, but it's actually not. There are two. We've actually sent a second one to your data center, so you have that on display on the actual 50,000 system, should you do that, and you can keep that one in your office. But again, as I said, congratulations to you and to your entire team, because I know it's a team effort. It is here on behalf of everybody here at Hitachi Vantara. I want to just say thank you very much. We honor your continued partnership and look forward to celebrating in another 20 years.
That sounds great. Thank you for your partnership. And I want to also thank my team, my very high performance IT organization that really keeps hundreds of thousands of containers and virtual machines up and operating in a very high ability fashion. And that's not only just internal research and development assets, but also our customer facing assets with regards to our Helix platform. So thank you, team. Thank you, Colin and Hitachi, and we do look forward to the continued partnership.
Thanks, Scott. Awesome, very much. And to all our audience, thank you for tuning in. Hope you appreciate the celebration, and maybe stay tuned. Maybe we'll give another bezel away at some point in the future. Thanks.